my god. I'd like some more ammo, please.
Mr. Zurkon is here to kill.
It's not a bloody novel. Is it done? Is it done? Yes, it's done. Sweet.
Looks like we got all of them. Hopefully now they put the race back on.
Oh.
Hey, you've got a lot of raritanium. Come see me for an upgrade.
That's bloody torture. No, I'm not going through there yet because I want to figure out. How do I get in here? Rollo, stop. Because that looks cool. I'm just hoping when I go around it's going to take me there. So I can't see anything.
Good news. It looks like the city is now amoeboid-free. And we have 2 citizens to thank, Ratchet and Clank. The race is back on, so stay tuned for updates.
Hello, wise green.
Hey, I'm Starlene. Are you here for the race?
You know it.
Fuck yeah, I'm here for the race. I didn't do all that for nothing.
Alright, head inside. The first race starts in a few minutes.
The first race? Oh, there's 3. I like this. Right, let's go. I don't know how to. I don't know. Oh, wait. Accelerate, boost, jump.
Told this Lombax comes to us from Felden's Kizzle Plateau. This is his first time on Rilgar, so let's give him a warm welcome.
Whoa. 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 These boxes. Am I meant to get these boxes or are they just in the way?
Ratchet activated the hoverboard nitrous system.
What did I do? Ah! Ah!
Lombax's lack of hoverboard experience sent him careening off the track.
Shit.
Thankfully, the track's teleport system would bring him back to the action. Offered a tactical advantage to any racer who...
Oh, for f...
Activating just one would put the hoverboard's propulsion system on overdrive.
Ah!
Here that we just received word from Skid McMarx's reps. The pro hoverboarder suffered a minor injury while breaking ground at one of the sports shacks, but is expected to make a full recovery.
Great, so that means I'm going to end up racing him.
Look at him go!
Why am I going so slow?
It is now in second.
Speed up!
Catch up in time.
I can't let my sponsors down.
Didn't know I had any sponsors. Oh, I'm second.
Ratchet takes the
I'm first. No, go away. Wrecked. Wait, did I win it at the last second? I won it at the last second, oh my god.
Nice work. You're the first Lombax.
Fuck yeah.
Come back anytime. They're always giving away cool prizes here.
See, I wanna go into the silver race now. Silver race, please. Silver race.
We can race for the Silver Cup. Of course, we probably have better things to do.
No. You mad? Let's go.
Get ready, racers. Go! Fan favorites Ratchet and Clank are
Okay. They've got explosives on the track now.
last competition. Let's find out.
Whoa. How am I fifth? Ah!
Whoa! Ratchet charges ahead.
Catching up to you motherfuckers. Oh, how many laps are there? 3. This is not fair, they're faster than me. I've got to use the boost to my advantage.
This is just a reminder that viewers are not permitted on the course. Yes, we see you, and please put your shirt back on.
Holy crap! How did I get third so quick?
Whoa! Ratchet charges ahead.
Come on. Third lap, I can take these two. I got this. Ah! Shit! No, that fucked me. I could have won this. I still might.
Underdog Ratchet and Ratchet takes the lead.
Yes! Where's the finish line? No. No, 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 no. You ain't taking the lead. You mad? I made it. Yes. First again.
Awesome. Enjoy your prize. You earned it.
I didn't even get a prize. What was my prize? There's no way I was 7 seconds ahead of them.
Right for the gold cup.
Gold Cup, let's go.
Get ready, race.
Oh, they're gonna be so fast.
Get set. Go! And there.
What's gonna be on the course this
Little
time?
background on some of our racers today. Rick Blackstack is riding a modified Orion S12. Newcomer Victor Equinox is riding a Vortex 2000. And Chester St. Cloud is
Ah!
Romulus Turbo.
Shit. Come on, fourth already. Only like 3 laps ago.
This race is brought to you in part by Megacorp, makers of this year's most anticipated
Shit!
the Proto Pet. Pre-order yours today.
I'm gonna fuck this one. Unless I can pull out something amazing. I think I fucked it.
Look at him go.
Alright, I'm third with 1 lap to go. This is the same position I was in last race.
Underdog Ratchet is
No!
second place.
Fuck! That's finished. Fucked up. Oh no, I'm close, I'm close, I'm close. Come on.
What is this? You're
Ratchet takes the lead.
Second. Oh, the guy's right in front of me. No!
Ratchet's off course. Ratchet is falling back.
No! Oh, you bastards. I was right near the end. If I just hit that fucking ramp.
Ratchet, better luck next time.
Alright,
Ah, sorry, but come back anytime and give it another try.
I'm coming back to this. Wait, don't tell me I have to start from bronze again. If I have to start from bronze again. No, I don't. Okay. Right, last time. If I don't do it, I'm going to carry on with what I was doing before.
Set. Go! Fan favorites Ratchet and Clank are back. Can they repeat the same magic we saw during our last competition? Let's find out.
what is this?
time.
Come on, I got this. Shit! Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. Come on, I can still catch up.
What is this, your first time?
I messed up last time, I'll catch up again.
Fans will be happy.
I'm a twat.
Just received word from Skid McMarx's reps. The pro hoverboarder suffered a minor injury.
No, I've hit them so many times!
Is expected to make a full recovery.
I'm never gonna catch up, man. Right, I'm in third with 1 lap to go. Same position again. I'm not messing up this time, I can't. Come on, they're just there.
Underdog Ratchet is now in. Ratchet takes the lead.
Yes, I'm first, right. Just don't mess up. Just don't mess up.
I'm not going back to being a barista.
This is it. This is it.
Dad really gave him a boost. Sorry.
Yes. I messed up so much in the middle. How? What? At the beginning. How the hell did I manage that?
You're like amazing. You should think about going pro.
Go pro, yeah. Maybe. Oh well, I got me cards. Time to go do something else now. Right. Where is... Right. Okay. So I've done everything here. I just need to go back to my ship now. Which way is my ship? Ouch. Return to ship. That was fun.
You've got some hoverboard skills. I could use someone like you. See me and let's talk business. I ain't saying where I am, but the sewers under this here city, yeah, they're pretty interesting, don't you?
Alright guys, well that is me done for this session. Again, that'll probably be about another 3 episodes out. So I hope you're enjoying this series. Please like, subscribe to catch more.